First,
Chico. Chico.
hey dude, this is what I'm doing today here, and now I'm gonna be doing Street Magic Special Part 1. Hey. What's up, Joshua?
Chico, come on. Go.
Look. See the king? See the 4 kings, right? So I simply get this king, put it on top of the king of diamonds. I give it a shake. See? The king of diamonds goes to sleep. Now I simply put the king of diamonds on top of the king of spades. And now the king of spades goes to sleep. And now I get the king of spades, put it on the bottom, give it a shake. Now the king of clubs goes to sleep. And now
Sit to yourself flat. Flat, remember?
And now I get this card, put it on the top, give it a shake. They all go to sleep. And now look. Simply twirl it around. They all become into aces.
How the hell you do that? And all you got is 4 cards?
Uh-huh.
No, you don't. Oh, sorry.
I know.
I can see it.
Okay.
That was nice. That was nice.
Please subscribe.